I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by saving your work and closing apps. This avoids data loss. Then, sign in with an administrator account so options appear. Open Start, go to Settings, choose Update and Security and select Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Don't worry, the PC will reboot into the recovery environment. Once done, make sure you noted any unsaved files because the restart completes immediately. This moves you into the special boot menu, where Safe Mode options live. Once the PC reboots into recovery, choose Troubleshoot to access repair tools. Then select Advanced Options and pick Startup Settings. This tells Windows to change boot behavior. Click Restart so the system loads the startup settings screen. You'll see numbered choices. Press 4 for Safe Mode, 5 for Safe Mode with networking, or 6 for Safe Mode with command prompt. I recommend 5 when you need internet. Choose 4 for basic troubleshooting. Make your selection quickly when the numbered menu appears. Press the indicated number key or F key to boot into your chosen Safe Mode option. Windows will load a minimal driver set. Use Safe Mode to uninstall drivers, run antivirus scans, or restore system files. These fixes work because fewer services run. When finished, restart normally from Start Power Restart to exit Safe Mode. If you cannot enter Safe Mode or it crashes, try System Restore from Advanced Options or check Event Viewer Logs for startup errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.